Now, when doing your project, sometimes the playback engine might not be set right. Like sometimes you might be recording and it'll say you need to increase your buffer size, different things like that. I'm not really that used to it just because I have a very powerful computer. But if you're not so lucky, you might, need to adjust a few things within your system. So what you do is you go into setup and you go to the playback engine. Once you go to the playback engine, you're going to see different options as far as increasing your hardware buffer size. Like I have up to 8192 samples, right? I can do different things like that as far as the CPU limit and different things you can change in order to make your make everything a little bit smoother. As far as your playback buffer and things like that, these can all help you. Another thing is with TDM, there's a number of voices. Right now I have 96 voices, which means I can use 96 tracks, I believe. What I can also do is change that to 192, 144, or even bring it lower. And this basically allows me to use a certain amount of DSPs. It allows me to have a certain number of voices per track, which definitely allows me to use less space or more space depending on what I'm recording.